Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a custom receipt in Gohighlevel. Customizing receipts helps us maintain consistent branding, provide clear transaction details, and deliver a more professional experience to customers. Let's get started. On your Gohighlevel dashboard, we go to Payments. Payments is on the left side of the dashboard. Click on it. Once in the Payments dashboard, we see the invoices. To create a new invoice receipt, just click this option. Here, we can customize the receipt. Add business information and products. Products can be added here, like shampoo or any other item. Enter the price as needed. We can also add terms and agreements. We can include a link opportunity here. Tipping can also be added. Once everything is filled out, we can send or save the receipt when finished. To further customize the invoice, go to Settings. Here, we can adjust the invoice by adding a business logo. Set up email configurations, change the title, terms, and layout, and customize these details. Payment settings can be managed here, including fees. Product settings are also available. Set up reminder settings and preview invoices here. Logos will appear once they are added. For regulations, more custom fields like products can be added to the invoice. When everything is ready, just click Save. Be sure to review the receipt layout and make any changes before going live to ensure everything looks accurate and polished.